USA. USA. Well, we did win.
Yes, all right. It is 5:21 right now. Oh, Pete.
Well, we did.
Talking about music right now, okay?
Yes.
And
let's go back to the UK and talk about Sir Paul, apparently.
Yes. Bringing it all back.
Yes, I know.
Yes. Very nice there. Okay. A Beatle pays tribute to the King. Paul McCartney, who of course just mentioned, one of the 2 surviving Beatles, visited Graceland on Sunday, which was of course the home of Elvis Presley. The Beatle, the former Beatle that is, tweeted a photo of himself leaving one of his guitar picks on Elvis's grave. With it, he tweeted the message, quote, paying respects. It was, and I'm surprised about this, it was his first visit to Graceland.
Well, you know, what happened was, so the Beatles visited Elvis, but then Elvis kind of was saying stuff about them after that, and it kind of ticked them off.
I'm just surprised in recent years, I mean, that was so many years ago. I'm just surprised, you know, he was in Memphis. But I don't know, I guess I was just personally surprised that he'd never been there before.
The man's still on tour. The guy's 70, whatever he's
I know, he was playing in Memphis.
I've seen him twice. He's amazing.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. His band is amazing, too.
Well, I think that's really cool. Do you follow him on Twitter?
You know, I don't. I should. I really should. I love Paul McCartney.
Well, you can follow us on Twitter. Pete is busy tweeting always during the morning. You're a big tweeter.
I am.
You can follow the entire morning team. I'm hoping that Brandon's going to be tweeting this morning.
He's got to do pics today.
Yeah, we're going to tweet at him, or maybe we'll have to text him, call him.
Do you think Craig, our cameraman, he referenced often in the show, Craig McDowell, do you think he'll take pictures for him?
We'll have to send out like a smoke screen flare or something to let them know.
Well, maybe somebody on the side could take pictures for Brandon.
That's true.
Because Craig is using the camera, the other video camera.
Right.
So. All right, well, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll make sure Brandon gets some pictures.
He's doing an obstacle course, right, or something? Physical challenge?
You'll have to tune in at 6 o'clock.
Oh, all right. I don't even know what it is.